Olá pessoal, hello everyone, welcome back to your Portuguese. I'm Diogo and today we are embarking on a journey to explore the diverse world of professions in Brazilian Portuguese. Whether you are a language enthusiast or planning a trip to Brazil, understanding profession is a key part of any conversation. Let's dive in. Professions or profissões in Portuguese are essential words in any language. They allow us to talk about our work, aspirations, and the people we meet. Today, we'll learn some common professions and how to use them in sentences. Vamos lá! Let's start with some common professions. Médico or doctor, professor or teacher, advogado or lawyer, engenheiro or engineer, and chefe or chef. Each of these words represents a unique and important role in society. In Portuguese, professions have gender agreements. For male professions, you typically add O, and for female professions, you add A. For example, médico or doctor becomes médica for a female doctor. Of course, there are exceptions. Some professions remain the same regardless of gender. For instance, motorista or driver, and jornalista or journalist can refer to both a male and female driver and journalist. Now, let's see how we talk about professions in sentences. Eu sou médico. Eu sou médico means I am a doctor. And ela é engenheira. Ela é engenheira means she is an engineer. Practice this sentence to express your own profession or inquire about someone else's. When asking about someone's profession, you can use the question o que você faz? O que você faz? Which translates to what do you do? Try it out with me. O que você faz? It's practice time. But before we continue, do you know who is responsible for the growth of this channel? Yes, exactly. You. I make these videos about the Portuguese language and about the Brazilian culture because I believe that they will help you and that you will have a good time watching them. So, if you have enjoyed this video so far, I'd like to ask you to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That will help us a lot, not only to grow the channel, but also to keep making good and fun videos especially for you. Thank you so much, and let's go back to the video. Share your profession in the comments below using the phrases we've learned. I'll be reading them and providing feedback. That wraps up our lesson on professions in Brazilian Portuguese. We covered common professions, gender agreements, and how to talk about what you do. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and I hope it was helpful for you. Muito obrigado e te vejo no próximo vídeo. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn more Portuguese, make sure to check other videos in the channel I have made especially for you. Até mais!